I know, even though I'll be calling, but some of them will still not come because some of them are doing something, some of them are doing other thing, and some of them will be doing that thing, this thing. So, but still, let's take this pleasure of at least having all of them over here, all the R Circle members, because like I think without a group effort, any program is not possible. So this is the small family which is visible right now. There are few more, but not visible. Actively involved. Somebody's taking the charge of issuing the checks. Somebody is taking the charge of coordinating with the event manager. Some of us just do the room allotments. Some of us have done everything, coordinating with the singers, coordinating with all the IFAs across this 83 cities, and all of them in this, as we can see, they have done all their bit. So each and everything, I cannot specifically say that this person has done this person has done this. But again, as an organization, we have worked together, and here comes our little master, Bhavik. So all of them, so we can have a applaud for them first of all, the whole team, because without all of us together, and I'll request, I think Anirudh, Ashish, would you like to come and do something so that within this, and then
okay, so 3 cheers for everybody in MFRD. Hip hip! Hip hip! Hip hip! I would also like to request Mr. V. Ramesh, Mr. Dhirendra Kumar, Mr. Prem Khatri, Mr. Joe, Mr. Buj, and my colleagues from the AMCs, Naveen, Ajit, I don't know where is Kailash. This is our effort from the AMC business to felicitate MFRD members for coming together and organizing this kind of a platform. And I'm not saying this just because I'm standing here, but the fact is that me and Naveen and Ajit can do a lot of coordination, and we can speak to each other, and we can come here and have a drink together also. But I don't think that amongst the 3 or 4 of us we could have actually done this kind of an event. So round of applause, and I would like to invite Ajit and Naveen and sir, please. So what we are so we're going to felicitate them in true Indian style. Actually with the proper, so we are not adding to the heat with a shawl, but what I'd request Ajit and Naveen and my colleague Anirudh to felicitate each one of them, and I would request all of you to please join in applause. Kanakji. It's not fair, they are applauding, you need to applaud. So congratulations to everybody in the MFRD. I think Kanak would like to add a couple of points.
we have Bimal Agarwal, who is our treasurer, and here we have Mr. Ashok Agarwal, getting the honor done by Mr. Ramesh, Gautam Karmakar over here. Mr. Suresh Mota is there. Pradeep Jain ji, aap kahan hain? Mr. Pradeep Jain. Will request the Mr. Vikas Agarwal from Rawalpindi. He is not there. Please come. Sir, you are also an R Circle member. आपने फॉर्म भेज के फोटो लगा के भूल गए क्या? Because he's not in Calcutta, he's not attending our meetings in Kolkata, but he's a part of. So we have members at Durgapur, Ranchi, and few other locations also. So thanks a lot, and so we can have a photograph also. I'll request some of our board members present. Mr. Dhirendra Kumar is there. I'd request Ashish, if you can honor Mr. Dhirendra Kumar. Oh, he's already done. Thank you. Mr. Surajit Das, please come. And Mr. Naman Agarwal from Lucknow. Mr. Rohit Saraogi from Guwahati. Any Art Circle members and MFRD board members also. आपको याद किया जा रहा था सर. Shilpali, are you there? Rohit Saraogi from Guwahati. Mr. Lakshmi. अरे फिर आशीष को भी बुलाइए सर, पहले उनको भी प्लीज नहीं, आपको मैं बनाऊंगा प्लीज. ठीक है, वो भी बढ़िया. एक दूसरे को वन आशीष will. I think this is what our mutual fund industry need, where all the AMCs, instead of competing, they are doing this to each one. Yeah. Thank you to each and everyone, and we'll request. Yeah, some comments can be down. Is the photographer there? भाई साहब, हाँ, अच्छे से. Lot of space downstairs. We'll request our special guests Raghu and Himanshu ji, please come. And we should have, without you, this program and this photograph will not at all be complete. Himanshu ji, thank you very much. Yeah, tomorrow complete your breakfast before 8:45. After 8:45 we will not be serving the breakfast, and this is final. And 7 o'clock a small program on meditation. If you want to make yourself more calm and more attractive, only film stars या हमारे आशीष भैया कोई हक नहीं है अट्रैक्टिव बनने का, हम सब अट्रैक्टिव बन सकते हैं. So, and the room checkout should be done before we start the session. You all can keep your baggages just outside the room with your name tag, and after the conference you all can pick that up, and you have to give your keys just before we start. And we don't want to miss any moment, so please be there for the program tomorrow at 8:45. 8:45 this room, everyone. Is this a commitment? क्या हम रहेंगे आप 45 पे सुबह यहाँ? क्या हम रहेंगे यहाँ? Okay. Tomorrow we will also have a meditation will be there in first floor, Surya Mahal. Surya Mahal is the room, and there we will have a small meditation.